Smithy's Corner. It's really great. Hey, hey! You love it, don't you?
I do. You really should reverse the camera around to see your facial expressions when you do that.
No. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now. BullionNow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide. From Melbourne in Australia, head over to youtube.com/BullionNow. 14,500 subscribers. Join the family. This is Smithy's Corner, but
it is
revisited.
So Smithy is an artist. He produces all sorts of silver products for us. I had a conversation with him the other day. He's talking about doing some gold, so stand by for that. But mainly silver type stuff. And we highlight it kind of once a week. We try and highlight some stuff. And we thought today we'd actually go back through some of the stuff that we've got on display in the store. Stuff that we may have shown previously, we may have got back into stock after we've sold out, or because we don't list it on the web, it's kind of like as we show it. Some things come back into stock and you may or may not have been aware of it. So we thought we'd just go over some of the stuff we've got shown in store.
Excellent. You take your pick and we'll go from there.
I actually really... Do you want me to pull one out? Or
Definitely. Yes,
definitely?
please. Definitely.
This one's always my favourite.
Oh, okay. Cool. The thong.
The thong.
If you Americans watching, the flip-flops.
That's the one.
Because the thong, that's a different thing.
It's only a right foot thong though.
It is a right-footed thong. I'm just trying to get on. There we go.
Yeah. Colours. The camera's taking the colour out.
Yep. What I might get you to do is take it off the black there and pop it right just on there. There we go. Perfect. That's exactly what we needed. The white background.
Oh, I picked the only one that doesn't show up on black.
Yeah. It is if you turn it around the other way, we'll see the, what I meant was, yes, there we go. Every single time you do that to me. 4 ounces, so 4 troy ounces right there of just a right thong or a right flip-flop, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So,
and it's been, what's the technical term for what the finish that's on it? What would you call that?
Blast. I do know what it's called, and it's completely slipped. You should have asked me beforehand. I would have gone and looked that back up again.
We'll put that in post, or we'll make a note below. Yeah. We'll put it in the pinned comment.
But it is a bit of a copyrighted procedure, or a trademark procedure.
Is it really?
Yeah. So he doesn't tell people how he does it.
Very cool.
It's a special combination of things that he does to it. So
very cool.
Just chuck it down, don't worry.
Yeah, good on you, man. So that is available. Everything you see.
I'm going to do that without it.
Okay, fair enough.
Without the camera watching.
Everything you see in the shelf is available.
Absolutely.
Before we go into another one, let's quickly tell them the pricing on these.
So with Smithy stuff, because it's hand poured, you're not expecting to pay the mass-produced, pamp price, Perth Mint price, locally produced price of a kilo bar or anything along those sort of lines. Mm-hmm. So you do pay more. So you end up paying spot price plus 40%. And then because it is a hand-poured artist item, we have to add GST on top of that as well.
Got it. Can I get out there, or can you get out for us that skull, please? Because I remember that from last time. That is
a bit of a skull boy.
Yeah, I love that thing. That's so cool. So
on the black or on the white?
On the white, please. Yeah, on the white it'll come up much better. Look at it. That is so cool. Now, if you had thought that this one, now I'm not sure whether this was a restock or whether this one was just not sold in the time.
No, it was a restock.
Original. That's a restock, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
No, they sold really well and really quickly.
Okay, good. That is beautiful. Look at the detail on that thing. That is so cool. And if you could turn it over in your hand, please, and we'll take a look. You son of a bee. Every time. Yeah. You get pleasure out of torturing me.
Oh, well,
10 troy ounces. Yep, number 56. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. And they do come with accompanying certificates.
They do, as a rule.
Yep, every single one should come with an accompanying certificate. Sometimes I think maybe those little buttons there.
No, they do.
Oh,
they do.
Okay.
As a tube, though.
Okay, gotcha. So, all right, that's the skull available for sale right now.
But you don't have to go into the quote-unquote weird sculpture. You can also look at things like...
Yes, now this, I remember this episode, it wasn't that long ago. These two beauties. Now, are these restocks or are these ones that just didn't sell?
Actually, I don't know as these ones sold,
I
which
don't think
actually
they
quite
did.
surprised me.
Oh, very surprising indeed. They are just magnificent.
They are.
These, yeah, this back then, this was only a few weeks ago. But I think we were calling it crocodile skin or tortoise shell or something like that on the outside.
Something along those lines.
And the double swirl, look at the swirling on those beauties. Look.
I actually prefer these to the sculptures.
Okay. I really, really like them too. If we can turn them both over, please, just to see their weightages. Yep, that's right. Yep, 1/2 kilo. And you can turn them around, please. Ah, thanks.
I even did it the right way.
Thank you, mate. So on the left there is a 10 troy ounce, serialised at the bottom there, number 23, and a 1/2 kilo, 500 grams of 999 AG. Just magnificent.
And if nothing else, it's a great talking feature of your stack. If you want to explain them to other people or family or you know, anything along those sort of lines.
Yep.
You know,
Look at it.
we were hoping to get Smithy in for a bit of an interview because he was coming down to Melbourne, but of course the lockdowns kind of changed that around. So, but one of the questions I was going to get him to, or I was going to ask him, was to actually explain how he gets the swirling in and how he gets this leather skin or crocodile skin or snake skin finish on these bars.
Absolutely. Well, now is your second chance to get a hold of those Spot Plus 40% plus GST. Again, you're not buying it for its mass production-esque. You're buying it because it's art. It really is art.
Absolutely,
those
it is.
in particular, really very much so art.
Yeah.
You take your pick this time.
Oh, you want another one?
Yeah, let's pick one more.
You got to go the Combi.
I thought you would.
I want to go the silver one actually.
Okay.
So I'm going to have to change sides. I don't know why, but I like the silver in the Combi better than the colour.
Fair enough.
So that'll probably show up best on you. So this is a trip down memory lane for me because I'm one of a large family. You rather it on there?
Yep.
Yep, okay.
Definitely.
And we used to have a little yellow Combi van we used to call the soapbox.
The soapbox. Yeah, very cool. If this is for anyone, if you're a Combi enthusiast, if you know someone that is like I actually do, know someone who's very much into them.
Even if you're from the 70s or 80s.
Yeah.
And I'm showing my age here now.
All right, here's a bit of trivia for you. Pop quiz? What do you do if you're in a Combi and you drive past or drive another one coming the other way? What's the thing that you're supposed to do?
I'm assuming wave.
Oh,
finger.
You're close. Nope, you're close. You're so close.
Yeah.
It's not one finger.
2 fingers?
Yep.
Oh, for the V.
Peace sign.
Yeah,
Yep.
peace sign.
Yep.
I just thought it was, have you broken down yet? Do you need help?
No, if you drive past another Combi, you give the old up in the window.
Oh, there you go.
I learned that from one of my best mates who is very much into his Combis.
Oh, there you go. Do you want to highlight any more in there?
Oh, look, let's have a quick schmattering. We've got some more of the buttons right there. So they are 1 ounce buttons in a 5 tube. So it's 5 ounces you're buying in total. You've got that Combi right there.
Combi,
the coloured Combi. You've got those two which we showed. The skull. You've got the silver Combi. Looks like you've got over there. That is the
wolf.
The wolf, yeah, and a silver version of the wolf. And then you've got that thong right there. So that is Smithy's Bullion Revisited.
That's the one.
Yeah. What else do they need to know?
That's probably pretty much it as far as that goes.
Yep.
If you're interested in any of them or any of the Smithy's Bullion stuff that we stock, we don't list them on the web, as I said earlier, but we do sell them through either in-store, so come in level 6, 227 Collins Street in Melbourne, or give us a call, 1300 84 84 10, talk to Sam about it, or you can shoot us in an email, sales@bullionnow.com.au, and any of those forms will be able to help you out and organise the sale of a Smithy's Bullion masterpiece.
Fantastic. Smithy's Bullion revisited. We'll do that one. We'll do another one of these eventually down the track, probably. Yeah, you never know.
Yeah.
And that's it. As always, like, share, subscribe. That's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.